Also here we can do some bar charts. For the bar charts, we just use the method bar plot. Let's try to run this part. Yeah, sorry, that should be the set, I suppose. Yeah, yeah. I like dark grid style. That's why I write dark grid. You can use white grid. Is as you wish. And here, as you see here, you can do this kind of charts. Also, you can give the color. You can write like color. Let's say if you like pink. Yes. No. Color pink. Suppose. Yes. Here. Also, if you like to do the like not the vertical or horizontal histogram, then just change the. You can give the B to A and the A to B, and then just change the places of the your this values. Here also let's write z equal to 1 and also write sinus, cosinus, and they use numpy. Here also you can see this kind of histogram. Also you can work with the style like C, Z, style, white grid. Yes, and also color of the your this histogram can be the red maybe, and then push the button run, and you can see this kind of, or just change the values of x and y, and just this kind of data visualization.